Hello aspirants, welcome to Krishnapati 21st Century IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Anthropology Daily Mains Question Explanation, presented by me Mohan Benergy. So as part of the Anthropology program, we are conducting a test series. So it consisting of 16 tests, 10 sectional tests and 6 comprehensive tests. After the completion of the test, model answer is given to the students. And the question we are going to discuss is traditional ethnography versus new ethnography. If at all it is given for a 10 marker, so what should be the answer need to be written? So here we have introduction, body, conclusion. So as part of introduction, you should write about ethnography is a systematic study of the people and culture from different point of view with respect to the subject, involving close observation, participation, documentation of communities' way of life. So this is considered to be called as ethnography. And a new ethnography is nothing but experimental ethnography, referred to an approach in anthropology that emerged in later part of the 20th century. So that means whatever the new trends followed in the ethnography is considered to be now called as new ethnography. So advancements are included in new ethnography. In the body, you should write about the difference between them, and in the conclusion, you should say that both approaches offer valuable insights into human culture societies, but they differ with respect to the theoretical foundation, methodologies, and epistemological assumptions. So, in the body, what should be the points we have to write? So here they have given us traditional ethnography and new ethnography. So with respect to the geography, they were being differentiated, and the primary focus on traditional ethnography is mostly focused on remote and exotic cultures. And new ethnography is mostly focused on both remote and local cultures. So that is divided with respect to geography. And with respect to the researcher role, so here in traditional ethnography, outsider view is considered, that is anthropologist view, ethic view is considered. And with respect to the new ethnography, both insider outsider view is considered when we are studying any culture or society of the people. Next one is about the relationship with informants. So with respect to the study of ethnography, so informants play a crucial role to get the information from the people. So here in traditional ethnography, it can be hierarchical, so with the researcher in authority. And with respect to the new ethnography, so the informant is mostly emphasizing on egalitarian, means equality, and collaborative approach is followed. Next, with respect to the data analysis, so in traditional ethnography often follows predetermined analytical framework. However, in new ethnographies, it embraces the more flexible and iterative data analysis. So next one is about representation of culture. So in traditional ethnography, it tend to present a singular authoritative narrative, and with respect to new ethnography, it embraces the diversity in the voice and perspectives, presenting a more enhanced picture. And with respect to the purpose of research, so traditional ethnography often aimed at documenting and preserving the culture, and new ethnography focus on understanding, engaging with culture, often with an aim of for social change. So that means the social changes which are happening in the society can be analyzed or understand with the help of new ethnography. Next, role of theory. So this theory is often used to interpret the data after collection. So collection of data is done after the traditional ethnography, and so analysis of the data theory has been proposed after the data has been collected. But in new ethnography, so entire research process from designing to analysis, they can form any of the theories. So this is a new type of approach followed in new ethnography. And with respect to the ethical consideration, so it is concerned issues like informed consent and cultural sensitivities. So informed consents in the sense there are many informants. Sometimes they may give the wrong information, may lead to the any of the wrong theories or wrong interpretation. So that is a concern. And with respect to the new ethnography, it expands ethical consideration, including power dynamics like reflexivity and collaborative practices. So these are some of the ethical consideration as part of new ethnography. So these are considered to be the differences between the traditional ethnography versus new ethnography. So these points you try to remember and try to reproduce. Thank you very much for all the people who have listen the class. So like, share and subscribe.